Think of your childhood body like version 1.0 of an operating system. It's simple, stable, and perfectly suited to do exactly what you need it to do: run around, play, and learn. But to grow into an adult, your body requires a massive, unavoidable software and hardware overhaul. It needs to download a system update. Deep inside your brain, a master control center called the hypothalamus fires off a specialized chemical pulse. This pulse, called GnRH, acts like a push notification traveling down to the pituitary gland, waking up the body's servers. From there, commands are sent to your body's hardware, the ovaries or testicles, to begin manufacturing the software needed for the upgrade. While puberty can feel chaotic, it actually follows a highly coordinated, precisely timed chemical sequence designed to prepare your body for the future. Doctors track this update using 5 Tanner stages. In stage 1, background servers boot up. The system then slits to install specific software. The estrogen pack for girls triggers breast development and menstruation, while the testosterone pack for boys increases muscle and initiates body hair. Whichever pack your system runs, both undergo rapid hardware stretching. These are your growth spurts, which can sometimes add up to 4 inches of height annually. You also get a major audio upgrade. Your voice box expands, stretching the vocal cords and leading to temporary, unexpected cracking sounds. With a bigger body comes more heat, so your system activates new cooling protocols. Your sweat glands become much more active, introducing body odor. From sudden growth spurts to an entirely new voice, these external hardware shifts are the visible proof that a massive internal software overhaul is successfully executing. Running a massive background download takes a heavy toll. The immense cognitive load required for physical growth constantly drains your daily energy reserves. When your battery is low and processing is maxed out, it translates into intense mood swings, anxiety, and confusion. If you feel frustrated or sad for no obvious reason, your brain isn't glitching. It is physically rewiring its own circuitry, a massive hardware adjustment, which naturally causes some temporary emotional instability as the system settles. As the download reaches stages 4 and 5, the heavy lifting wraps up, and the most complex systems come online. The reproductive hardware becomes fully active, allowing adult functions like menstruation and nocturnal emissions, or wet dreams, to begin. The exhaustion and the emotional roller coaster of your teenage years are not a malfunction. They are a necessary side effect of your system finalizing its most crucial adult features. The most important thing to remember is that while everyone downloads the exact same update, every single person has a different internet connection speed. This timeline shows the average span for the estrogen update, which usually begins anywhere between the ages of 8 and 13. Right below it, you can see the timeline for the testosterone update. This typically starts a little later, usually between ages 9 and 14. Sometimes the push notification arrives way ahead of schedule. Other times, the files get held up in the network, delaying the process. Being the first or last device in your class to start the download is completely normal. The timing is largely written in your genetics. If your update seems entirely stuck, or if the hardware changes are causing severe pain, a doctor can step in to help troubleshoot the system. Comparing your progress bar to your peers is entirely useless. Whether your connection is fast or slow, every single person eventually finishes the installation and becomes the newest, most advanced version of themselves.